Alright, second unboxing, and this is going to be my first time using this type of smart temperature probe. So this is my old one. I mean, it's been through hell. But it's still kicking, poor thing. So I needed an upgrade, so I opted for this Smartro. It's called the Smartro temperature thermometer. Cheap little thing. It was $17.99 on Amazon. But the reviews were crazy. There's some good reviews on this thing. So it's gonna take a little pressure off of me in the NutriChef oven by opening the door all the time. I don't get to keep the heat in, so this is gonna be pretty cool to have. So just do a quick unboxing. Reviews are gonna come later. Make sure you look out for that. So this is the Smartro oven and barbecue touchscreen thermometer. It's touchscreen. It cooks all of these meats. And it's supposed to have two temperature probes. I'm only seeing one. That would suck. The ad said two, but whatever. Let's see what's up. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Looks like that. Oh, cool. Instruction manual, little card thing, and yeah. Oh. Let me see. How many? Nice little felt thing. I can keep it in. No, yes, I got two temperature probes. Perfect. All right, because my smoker has one already built in. My Masterbuilt Elite I have outside, and this comes with two, which is perfect. And oh man, these things are nice and long and really got a quality feel. This is the probe itself. Love doing that. Let's see what kind of batteries it needs. Alright, so we need two AA's. And it's magnetic, so it attaches to metal surface. But this is off mode, cook mode, and timer mode. So it's a clock too. I'm only seeing one input for the probe, which is a little weird. You're supposed to have two. That might piss me off a little bit. That might suck. But yeah. Alright, when I get some batteries, I'll do a little review. I'm cooking some French loin later on tomorrow. Stay tuned for that. Yeah. Smartro temperature thermometer. Like, comment down below if you have one and if you used it, and something that you use similar with a better price point. Just comment it down. Let me know about it. All right. $17.99 on Amazon. Peace.